Hey, welcome to new background and the series Things You Didn't Know You Can Do with AI. In this video, I'll show you how you can use AI to do an on-page SEO audit. If you're a beginner to SEO or don't have a lot of time, this is fantastic. Basically, for every web page, it will give us a quick SEO metrics overview. We get the critical issues of what's not working, some warnings of what we should work on, and the elements we've optimized well. So here's how to do it. First, we need all the content on the web page. We're talking the header tags, the meta tags, the alt text, all of that. If you already have that, great. If not, let's just scrape it. So I like using Apify for scraping. Apify has like a bunch of pre-built automations. For this particular one, we're gonna search for website content crawler. You can sign up for free. We get $5 to use every month, which is gonna be plenty to go through like a whole bunch of pages. So when you try it for free, don't get intimidated with the whole interface. It kind of looks overwhelming, but don't worry about it. All you gotta do is like put in the main website URL. And then once you do it, it's just gonna like, crawl all the content and you can export the results in various formats. Here, just for a quick visualization, we're just gonna look at the HTML content table. So here we get to see like all these different tabs. It's sort of like exporting the content from. So download the file, copy to Excel, do whatever you have to. So now we're gonna go to Claude and we're gonna use a prompt and the data to get the magic done. So my prompt is going to be like giving AI a bit about context on the SEO optimization I'm trying to do, some core elements to look for, some content analysis stuff it needs to work on, some technical optimization stuff it needs to look into, and then like, the output it's going to work on, which is going to be like creating a dashboard. We're going to be using Claude artifacts so we can like visualize the content a bit better. So this prompt was generated using Prompt Genie, which is the app my team and I built 2 years ago to like basically build and write better prompts. Here's my prompt and I'm going to copy the content which I crawled from the webpage. So I'm just going to hit enter and now it's going to do its magic. And here we have our dashboard. So it's giving us an overall SEO health score. I feel like this number is sort of like subjective. So like if you're doing multiple pages, you can use it to compare. I don't really know what this 55% means or like what that 100% would be. And then here we have a bit of an SEO metrics overview. We're looking at the content depth, keyword usage, meta tags, technical SEO, user experience. And if we scroll further down, we're getting these critical issues. It says that the content depth isn't as good. It's recommending me some things I should be adding onto the web page, which is about, the features, use cases, testimonials, FAQ. We have a missing structured data, so there's no schema markup implemented for better search visibility. And it's recommending things that I should be working on. If we scroll further down, it's giving us some warnings and recommending some keywords that I should be targeting because right now our keyword targeting is quite limited, and some meta description optimization. And it's telling us some things which we have optimized a little well. So a little pat on the back here. As you can see, like if you're a beginner, like, if you have not done any SEO work at all, this is fantastic. I didn't have to hire an agency or like pay for expensive tools. I'm just leveraging AI and like, 30 seconds and no expertise to literally kind of getting me a quick start on like what I need to focus on. At least all the issues and warnings it's telling me, it kind of makes sense. So do a little critical thinking because it is AI after all. It could fabricate information, but so far it looks good. If you're an expert, again, this kind of gives you a quick overview of what is going on. So you can use a special tool to then dig deeper into these topics. And of course, you can run the same thing for multiple pages. We can just use the same prompt, maybe turn this into like a custom GPT, or in Claude, it's called a project. So every time you have a new page to audit, put in the content from the page and boom, you have your final output dashboard right away. So give it a shot. As the video series is called Things You Didn't Know You Can Do with AI, leave a comment if you think you already knew this was gonna happen or this was actually new for you. And for more free tutorials on how to use AI to like save a lot more time, go to my website, becomeanairmarketer.com, where I have like a whole bunch of free tutorials. If you feel inspired, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you next time.